We have all the processes you will need for a serial production in AM. So we have here our big new printer, the NXG 600, where we can print high productivity parts. You can see here some parts we have printed on this machine. So 12 lasers we have in this machine, which means very high productivity, very high building rate. We can build up to 100 parts in just one job.
With this new investment, with the higher density of the lasers, with also the faster productivity, we can cope with the price pressure we have for the products because we compete on a worldwide scale, as well as with the classical technologies like milling, drilling and others. So therefore, the price competitiveness is one of the key enablers for us to enter now the markets.
With additive manufacturing, we can meet the requirements from the market, which means that we can deliver the parts very fast as we do not need any extra tooling. We can apply lightweight design, which always plays an important role, as well as we are able to create geometries which we cannot create with other production technologies. We can reduce complexity by combining several parts to one single part. For example, in the hydrogen market, where it plays an important role to avoid leakages, and these can be reduced by having less parts. We print the part very fast, then it goes for testing, and then the reiteration process starts. Bosch is an innovative company, and it's essential for us to be very fast on the market with our new products, and that's why a fast iteration process in the development phase helps a lot, and with this we can achieve a very fast time to market.